everyone. We are Smart-Aquatic System. My name is Sjkc.
My name is Mjic.
My name is Sjkc. My name is Controllable. My name is Bukit. Today, we are excited to introduce our indoor farming innovation, Smart Solar-Aquatic System.
Our project uses technology to help plants grow with an automatic watering system and solar panel for light.
Many people don't really favor of indoor, but it's not easy. Sometimes there's not enough sunlight and full of silver work and water outside. Indoor gardening uses rest, electricity and water. If not done right, we want to fix it. Our goal was to create an automatic indoor garden system that uses solar energy with microcomputer and use sensors to give the plants what they need.
We also aim to make it low maintenance, eco-friendly and perfect for small spaces.
Let's show you how the system works step by step. Solar panel discussion sunlight from the window and power up the light and sensor. LED flow light is full dark windows. The light turns on automatically. The light sensor. We use sensor to check light temperature and soil moisture. If the soil is dry, the fingers the next part. We need fish net or water catcher. Fish net in the tank and we provide clean filtering for the swans.
Nature filter at top. The water is filtered with a sponge. Then the plant will pour onto when the sensor detects the water necessity. It's a mini ecosystem right in the room, and the plants learn.
This system saves local reduce electricity with a concentrated. It's useful for people who love plants but don't always can care for them. With our Smart Solar-Aquatic System, using routine light clean all year around inside your home.